Alright, welcome guys, welcome back again. It's been about 8-9 months since I've had my Anespa on my shower system. What an Anespa does, it's an actual filter that transforms your water into a mineral water and puts all your good minerals for your body and your skin and everything like that back in and filters out all the bad stuff like chlorine and fluoride. So I've had about 8 months and it's time to change it over. If you want to come in here, I'll change it over. And I'll show you what the inside looks. So I'll just take my hose off first. Shouldn't be this tough, but stop that one. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll just let the water come out a bit. I'm just going to come out onto the sink. Just letting it drain. Put it into here, keep it draining out. So these are the new filters that you get from Enagic, the Enagic filters. I'll pull out this one here. See, the Anespa's got two filters. It's got an internal filter and an external filter. This is the external filter, which should be changed every 6 to 12 months depending on your water quality. As you can see, it's nice and white, nice and clean, ready to go. So I want to get this old one out and I want to change it. This is just the outside one. There's an internal one that's done every 3 years, and that's the one with all the rocks and everything that puts all the good minerals back into the water, which your skin absorbs. So this one here helps to filter out all the chlorine and everything. And same as the middle one. So it's just a couple of bolts at the back. Just a couple of bolts here that you've got to undo. 1, 2 bolts. It's quite simple. Then you got this little piece here that you put to the side. And then all you do, this should be coming. Tap that through, pull that through, and this should be able to just lift straight off. Nice and simple. I'll do it down in here so not too much water goes everywhere. Oh, yuck. So as you can see, this is the external filter that does a lot of the work. Have a look at that, would you? That's just between 8 months, 9 months what it's filtered out. That's pretty disgusting. Now this is your internal ceramic filter. They last up to 3 years. I don't have to do mine for another year or so, so that's okay. So yeah, it's pretty easy changing this filter out, and you can see from that what that's done, what it actually filters out in your Anespa system. They're bloody amazing. Your hair and your skin just comes out.
Give it a turn.
Comes out really, really good. As you can see the stuff. It's coming off. Oh, look at that. It's come out of it.
Do that again.
That's amazing. See, look at the gunk. That's just come out of our tap water. I'll put it into here and you can have a bit of a better look as it comes off my fingers onto the wire. See the colour of it? That's what's been filtering out. Rust, chlorine, all sorts of yuckies. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Clean that out. I'll put the new one back in. It's pretty quick process. Put that in. Grab your Anespa straight over again. Just make sure you get the sitting properly. There you go. And that just needs to come down that side, straight through. Put that on. Do these nuts up. Now they don't have to be super tight, guys. Just nice and just tight enough so that it seals. You don't want to be breaking none of the nuts or anything. Then we come back into your shower. One thing you want to do before you put it back together is check the bottom. Make sure you've got your seal in the end of your hose. The little black seal. Just there. On both taps. And one here that I noticed fell out when I was taking it out. So make sure they're put back into here. Just like that. And you can put them straight on. And there you have it, guys. That's what the Anespa is from the Enagic range. It cleans out all your water, takes out your rust as you can see from that filter, all your chlorine and your nasties in all sorts of water. Plus it filters out dirt and stuff like that. The ceramic filter on the middle has minerals and everything infused in it, so as the water goes through, it re-ionises the water. Puts ions back in there, which is better for us to absorb, because our skins are your biggest organ on the body, and chlorine and all them nasty chemicals that go into water will absorb through your skin. So that's why I've got my Anespa, and I keep my family safe, and I'll keep the family safe by showering in this water. Alright, if you want to find out a bit more, you can go to trevordiet.org and have a look on the website for the Anespa range, or you can get in contact with me via Facebook through Charged Kangen Water. Just look for Charged Kangen Water on Facebook and send me a message, and I'll get back to you as soon as I'm available. Alright, also you can like me on YouTube. I'm Charged Kangen Water on YouTube. Thanks guys, have a great afternoon.